No more family reunification for thousands of refugees in Germany, at least for now. Germany's parliament, the Bundestag, has passed a controversial new law. Family reunification for refugees under subsidiary protection status is suspended for the next 2 years. That means thousands of people, many of them separated from their spouses, children, or parents, may now have to wait even longer to reunite, unless they qualify for an exceptional hardship case. So, what exactly is subsidiary protection? It's a form of protection granted to individuals who don't meet the criteria for full refugee status under the Geneva Convention, but who still face serious danger if returned to their home countries. During the Syrian civil war, hundreds of thousands fled to Germany. For many years, Syrian nationals made up the largest group seeking refuge. But in response to the large numbers during the 2015 to 2016 refugee crisis, German authorities began assigning many of them this lower-tier protection status. And now, one of the most significant consequences of that status is hitting hard. Previously, up to 1,000 family members of people with subsidiary protection were allowed to join them in Germany each month. But under the new law, that number drops to 0 for the next 2 years, except in rare cases such as for unaccompanied minors or urgent medical situations. This affects around 380,000 people currently living in Germany, most of them fleeing war-torn Syria. What's behind this move? Germany's Interior Minister, Alexander Dobrindt, who introduced the bill, says it's about protecting the country's resources and limiting immigration. He told Parliament, "This law will reduce migration by 12,000 people per year and disrupt criminal human trafficking networks." According to the government, Germany's education system, social services and housing market are under immense strain, and they argue this law is a necessary response. Even members of the ruling coalition, including the SPD, admitted the decision was difficult, but ultimately supported the bill to preserve unity and ensure humanitarian exceptions remain in place. What do you think? Is this a necessary policy or an unfair burden on already struggling families? Let us know in the comments.